69 posiciones si la dejo. Yo lo sé, cogemos como conejo. Y eso es lo que a mí me corre de ti. Que se muerda que estoy puesto.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kachi Vlogs. So today we're actually in this park that's called Corazón del Bosque. So I will be showing y'all around. I'm not gonna lie, the climate is a little bit hot here. También está fresco at the same time. That was just a little preview of the park around. I don't know if y'all saw that river, but it was very, very beautiful. And the park, it wasn't so bad. Honestly, it was like made out of like rotten wood. I think it's pretty cool. And the slides were also made of the same thing. I just thought I should also capture how they use the trash cans here. No, but it's pretty cool because like they have the bottles, it's like they recycle, and so they have like all the trash in there. Right now we're walking with Tita. Tita, di hola. Hola, Tita. Right now we're walking up the mountain and we're waiting for Otto to pick us up one by one to get all the way where the stairs start to go up. So yeah, here we go.
Cause I feel it too, but I need to hear the truth. Yeah, tell me what you want from me. Tell me what you want from me. Take me to the bridge, lay me on the ground. No more holding back now, time is running out. Come on baby, truth or dare. Truth or dare. Now that we're alone, show me who you are. Tell me that you want me, take me in your arms. Come on baby, truth or dare. Truth or dare. Tell me what you want from me. Tell me what you want from me. You're telling me that you're too shy, but I see it in your eyes. So tell me what you want from me. Tell me what you want from me. Take me to the bridge, lay me on the ground. No more holding back now, time is running out. Come on, baby, truth or dare. Truth or dare. Now that we're alone, show me who you are. Tell me that you want me, take me in your arms. Come on, baby, truth or dare. Truth or dare.
So as y'all can tell, we're already here up in the mountains. We did have that motorcycle ride actually, and right now we're in the cabins and everything is like really pretty and so beautiful. And they also have a sauna, which is kind of surprising down here. El temazcal. ¿Cómo se llama?
Se llama el temazcal. Ahí se bañan, lo hace que se ponga caliente. Y se calienta, es como que te bañas ahí en el fogón.
Ah, okay.
Te relaja los músculos. Wow.
Right now we're in a forest and we're on our way to the Tikal, or Santuario as some people call it over here. They pray up there, I guess, and so it's gonna be a long walk right now. So here we go. So right now, after this walk, we found this place up here, and it says Santuario de la Virgen de Guadalupe. And I've seen that on trees they have flowers. I don't know what type of flower this is. I have no idea. And as you can see, they also have like some burnt spots and everywhere. There's also some flowers all the way over there. Tita had told me that the reason why the flowers are over there is because, or on the trees, is because they have prayers. And right here, I think there's like a description of al final de la peregrinación. I'll turn the camera around for y'all. I guess you could say this is like a little prayer. If you know how to read Spanish, you'll probably understand. You can pause this video just to check it out. I'm gonna show y'all the sign, and it's a place full of like flowers and una rosa de Guadalupe, which is a Catholic religion. I think so.
De los antepasados, y eso es lo que hacen ahora, igualmente siguen el ritual, pero ahora es muy distinto, ahora es más, digamos que en sí, cristiano, más creyentes a Dios, y eso es pues claro, una cosa bonita. Estaba interesante.
Right now we're on our way, officially. What my mom said. Con el abuelito, my mom. Y Tita está hasta allá atrás.
Tita con sus sendos.
Yes. And we have kind of a long way to go, I guess. And supposedly that the steps are pretty big. So here we go. Whole workout it is. So we have finally arrived in El Tikal, and there's this like big poster thing. I don't know how to say it, but it has something written on it, and I just thought I should show y'all, and then maybe if y'all read Spanish again, maybe y'all can know what it is. Nosotros seguimos.
Muy pequeñas, antes era más alto.
Ah, see? We're almost at the top. We just climbed all those stairs. I'm not usually the person to work out or do these things, so I am a little bit sweaty. Pero, ¿usted cómo se siente?
Tranquilo.
¿Cansado? ¿Tranquilo?
Tranquilo.
He's calm. And I'm young, and I'm just like, we still got some to go. We had finally arrived at the top. I am out of breath. We just passed all 160 or 70 stairs just to get up here. And I'll be showing y'all. This is just another poster. La fuerza humana lo cambió todo. And it's right there. So you can pause the video and read that too if y'all want. Ma, ¿cómo está la subida?
Shut up. Vengo gateando.
What we just passed was La Ticalita, and right now we're actually on our way already to the house after the long walk and that just long steps. I'm not used to that, but comment down below if you would actually be down to the challenge of climbing all those 160 stairs. Right here, Grandpa says that they call it Cresta Militar because you can see the whole view down here. Right now, we're actually really close to the house from what Tita said, and we're here in a cornfield. Everything is just so beautiful to me, honestly. Even though I'm like a little bit tired of walking, it's just so pretty just to see like the views. And it's just nature, just the smell. And yeah, I don't know, I think it's pretty amazing. This is the whole view of the cornfield. There's a lot more out there too. And there's an awesome view over there. And this is like basically the way where we went. I don't know, I don't think y'all can see that. It's just many fields down there. Es Ellen, di hola Ellen.
Hola.
Y este es Elías. Di hola Elías.
Hola.
¿Y tú te atrevieras a subir al Tikal o no?
Sí.
¿Sí? ¿Te has ido? ¿Te gustó o no?
Sí.
¿Estabas cansada?
Sí.
Sí, ¿verdad? Since we finally arrived at the house, I guess it's time to go, and I will be filming some more tomorrow. We're gonna visit a very beautiful place, but that will be a surprise. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to comment down below, turn on those post notifications, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, and remember to comment if you would actually do all those 160 or 70 stairs. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you want to follow my Instagram, it's in the link in the description down below. And go add me on Snapchat. For more video ideas, text me through Instagram or comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those post notifications.